Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who were involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up. And this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th. And we have asked the Meghalaya government to us. Only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken. And that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in giving us all details of the case.